Hello students, welcome to Don Bosco PU College online classes. We are trying our best to make teaching learning experience easy to our students. So subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update.
Hello students, myself Abdul Wahab, Don Bosco PU College, Chichidurga. So in this video class I am going to discuss a biology model question paper second. In the previous video classes I discussed the one biology model question paper. Okay, let us discuss the second model question paper. First, the 1 marks question. The first question is wind pollinated flowers have to produce enormous amount of pollen. Why? Once again, the wind pollinated flower have to produce enormous amount of pollen. Why? Because the wind pollinated flowers, okay, the pollination occurs through air or wind. Such flowers, why they are able to produce more amount of pollen? Because to compensate the certainties and loss that occurs during the transfer, pollen transfer, to compensate the uncertainties and loss that occurs during the transfer, which means during the transfer of pollen grains, there is a chances to loss. Okay, there is a chances to loss, and during the transfer there is a not certainly able to transfer. For that purpose, the wind pollinated flower produce more amount of pollen. Okay, next, second question is, what is apomixis? Apomixis, which means the production of seeds from unfertilized ovule, is called apomixis, or the formation of seeds without fertilization is called apomixis. Okay, from the unfertilization, without fertilization, the production of seeds, that process we call as a apomixis. Okay, the best example nothing but the species of Asteraceae and the species of grasses. This apomixis just mimics the sexual reproduction. Okay, sexual reproduction, it having least of advantages. Okay, this is about the apomixis. Next is the third question. Name the hormone secreted by corpus luteum. So the corpus luteum in the ovaries, if the fusion of sperm and egg is taken place, such fusioning process is called fertilization. The result of fertilization called as a zygote. When the fertilization is taken place, the zygote is formed, then the corpus luteum is formed. When means what the ruptured Graafian follicle is there, that is become corpus luteum. Such corpus luteum secreted a pregnancy developing hormone called progesterone. Progesterone is a pregnancy maintaining hormone. Such hormone is secreted by corpus luteum when after the fertilization. Okay, the fourth question is, what is colostrum? The milk produced during the initial few days of lactation is called colostrum. When a mother giving birth to the young one, after the birth of young one, the mother's breast able to produces a milk, that is called as a lactation. Initial stage, initial few days, the milk is produces, that milk is called as a colostrum. That colostrum milk contains more number of antibody A, and such colostrum milk is provide a complete nutrition to the young one. So this is called as a colostrum. The fifth question is, name any one hormone producing IUDs. IUDs nothing but intrauterine devices. Okay, the intrauterine devices comes to the a contraceptives. Okay, contraceptive methods. This is one of the contraceptive method. In these IUDs, there is a one hormone is produces called LNG20. Another is progestar. Another is a progestossert. Progestossert is another one hormone. Here LNG, which means levonorgestrel 20 mg, 20 nothing but the milligram, levonorgestrel mg. Okay, the next question is, write the karyotype of Turner syndrome. Write the karyotype of Turner syndrome. The karyotype of Turner syndrome is 44 autosome. It means body chromosome, but only one sex chromosome we are going to see. Another sex chromosome is able to absent. Okay, absent. It is called as a karyotype of a Turner syndrome. Turner syndrome. What the a Turner syndrome is there? It is a allosomal hypoaneuploidy. Allosomal hypoaneuploidy. This syndrome was reported by Henry Turner. Here, abnormality of body chromosome, abnormality of sex chromosome or allosome. There is a one chromosome will be a deleted or absent, that is called as a sex chromosome. This Turner syndrome is also called as a monosomy. Monosomy. So the karyotype was the 44A plus XO. XO, one sex chromosome is absent. The seventh question is, define transcription. Transcription, a process of synthesis of RNAs from DNA, is called transcription. From the DNA, there is a formation of RNA. From the DNA, there is a manufacturing of RNA. Such process is called transcription. The process in which the DNA produces the RNA, or the process in which synthesis of RNA from the DNA is called transcription. Okay. In opposite to that, one process is there called as a reverse transcription, which means the process in which the process in which the RNA able to synthesis the DNA. Reverse, it is called as a reverse transcription. This is occur in the HIV virus, okay, in AIDS patient. Next, what are multiple alleles? More than 2 allelic forms of gene termed as multiple alleles. More than 2 allelic forms of gene or more than two alternative forms of single gene occupying same locus on the homologous chromosome and control a single character is called multiple alleles. Okay, overall multiple means many allelic forms of a gene which control a single character is called a multiple alleles. Best example nothing but blood groups, human blood groups. The ninth question is, what is elution? Which means separated bands of DNA are cut out from agarose gel and extracted from the gel piece is called elution. This elution process is occurred in separation and isolation of DNA fragments in DNA recombinant technology. In this step, in this process, what happens, what the separated bands of DNA are there, those are cut out from agarose gel. From the agarose gel, the DNA separated bands are cut out, then it extracted from gel pieces is called as elution. Is called elution. Next is 10th question. The last question is, define endemism. Define endemism. The phenomenon where certain species are confined to specific region and not found anywhere else is known as endemism. There are some species which are confined, they are particularly specifically lead a life in specific region and not found anywhere. There is not occurs other region, that is called as a endemism. Certain species which are lead a life in specific region, but those species not lead a life other places is called as a endemism. The phenomenon where certain species are confined to specific region not found anywhere else or other region is known as endemism. Yes. In this, the part 1 marks question is completed. We are move on to the part B, a 2 marks question. The 11th question, the first question in the 2 marks is, differentiate between menstrual cycle and estrous cycle. Let us one by one, we have to know. First, menstrual cycle, which means the regular cyclic changes that occur in ovaries and accessory reproductive organs of the female primates. The menstruation cycle occurs in primates. One is clear, which means it is a regular cyclic changes occurs in ovaries and accessory reproductive organs of female body is called as a menstrual cycle. The next is estrous cycle. The regular cyclical changes that occur in ovaries and reproductive organs of the female non-primates. The menstruation cycle occurs in primates. The estrous cycle occurs in non-primates. So this is a major difference between a estrous cycle as well as a menstrual cycle. There is one more difference is nothing but in menstrual cycle the bleeding occurs during the phases, but in estrous cycle bleeding does not occurs during the phase. The 12th question is, mention the 2 layers of human blastocyst or blastula. Blastocyst or blastula is a second stage of embryonic development. It consists the two layers are one is outer tropoblast, another is group of inner cell mass. These are the two layers of human blastocyst. Next is name the four types of cell found in the embryo sac of angiosperm. The embryo sac of angiosperm is also called as female gametophyte. This female gametophyte consists four type of cells are antipodal cells, central cells, synergid cells and egg cells. These are the four types of cells. These four types of cells how present in the female gametophyte or embryo sac. The three antipodals are present, two synergids are present, then one central cell is present, one egg cell present. Totally 7 cells are present in the embryo sac. 7 cells are present and 8 nucleus are present. In 3 antipodal cells, the 3 nucleus, the 2 synergids, 2 nucleus, then the egg cell only 1 nucleus, the central cell consists 2 polar nuclei. Totally 7 cells and 8 nuclei are present in the angiospermic embryo sac. 14th question is what is incomplete dominance? Give an example. Incomplete dominance, the phenomenon in which the dominant alleles in heterozygous condition do not express completely, instead undergo blending and produce an intermediate or new phenotype is called incomplete dominance. Here what happens when the dominant alleles in heterozygous condition able to express, but in the incomplete dominance do not able to express completely, instead it undergo blending and produce an intermediate or new phenotype is called as a incomplete dominance. So what happens when we are going to cross two homozygous condition? In F1 generation there is a heterozygous condition, but that heterozygous condition expresses the dominant character, but here what happens, the intermediate phenotype able to express. The incomplete dominant also defined as when the two heterozygous alleles are together, one of the dominant allele fails to suppress the recessive allele completely. As a result, both the alleles are together express the intermediate character is called as a incomplete dominance. The best example is a snapdragon or antirrhinium species, commonly called as a dog flower or 4 o'clock plant called as a Mirabilis jalapa. These are the best example. One is a snapdragon or antirrhinium, another is a Mirabilis jalapa or 4 o'clock plant. The next question is distinguish between benign tumor and malignant tumor. So the cancer produces two type of uncontrolled mass of cell, that is called as a tumor. Those tumors are benign tumor, another called as a malignant tumor. First, benign tumor, the tumor that is confined to the site of origin and do not spread is called benign tumor. That means what the cancer produces the tumors, those tumors are present where it is originated on that place. Such tumor will not able to spread another places. Such is called as a benign tumor. Next one is malignant tumor, which means the tumor that spread from the site of origin to other site of the body through blood or lymph is called malignant tumor. What the cancer produces the tumor, those tumors are able to origin at the region, and that region the tumors are able to spread from other parts of the body either through blood or lymph. Such spreadable tumors are called as a malignant tumor. Non-spreadable tumors are called as a benign tumors. The 16th question is, what is innate immunity? Mention any one type of innate immunity barrier. We know that the immunity, there are two types are there, innate immunity and acquired immunity. The innate immunity is defined as the non-specific immunity that occurs from the birth is called innate immunity. By birth itself, the body able to develop a non-specific immunity that is called as a innate immunity or non-specific immunity or by birth innate immunity. Here mention any one type of innate immunity barrier, something, but type of innate immunity or barriers of immunity are same. The barriers are either physical, physiological, cellular or cytokine barriers or types. The next question is, name the bioactive molecules used as clot buster. One is clot buster, another is blood cholesterol lowering agent. So first bioactive molecule called clot buster. The clot buster, the used as a, it is a clot buster, a enzyme called as a streptokinase enzyme. This the streptokinase enzyme is used in clot buster, which is nothing but removing of clots from the blood vessels of patients who are undergone by myocardial infarction. Okay, this streptokinase enzyme is extracted. This streptokinase enzyme is produced by a microbe called Streptococcus microbes. Next, a second bioactive molecule is called blood cholesterol lowering agent. It is used as a one bioactive molecule called as a statin. The statin is used as a blood cholesterol lowering agent. It can act as a inhibitor for enzyme responsible for the synthesis of cholesterol to lower the blood cholesterol level. So the statin is helpful. So these are the two. Then the statin is produced by a fungus called as a Monoscus purpureus. The last question in the 2 marks is, draw a neat label diagram of plasmid PBr332. PBr332. So PBr322, it is a plasmid. PBR, which means Bolivar and Rodriguez strain number 322. So this is a cloning vector or plasmid. Plasmid, which means nothing but is an extra nuclear or extra chromosomal self-replicating double-stranded circular DNA of bacteria. Okay, so this is the a diagram. This is the a diagram. It carries 3 marks. You have to write the labeling at least 6 labelings. In this video class, we discussed the 1 marks and 2 marks questions. In next video class, we are going to discuss 3 and 5 marks questions. Thank you.